Question is, discuss the continuity of cos, cosec, sec and cot. Now for cos x, we completed this in previous question, that it is continuous everywhere. For every x belongs to real number, we can say, isn't it? Now we will discuss for cosec x. So now f of x, cosec x we can write 1 by sin x, isn't it? Now, if you separately observe numerator and denominator, numerator is 1. Suppose p of x by q of x we can write. So p of x is 1, which is constant function. So it will always be continuous. Okay, constant function will be continuous everywhere. So which is constant and will be continuous for any point belongs to real number. Now, if you observe denominator, that is sin x. For sin x we proved. So qx is sin x. So sin x also will be continuous. It is continuous everywhere. For all x belongs to R, we can say. Isn't it? Now together means 1 by sin x. F of x will be, by algebra of continuity, is continuous for all x belongs to R by algebra of continuity. Because if numerator and denominator continuous, so this fraction will be continuous. But for all x belongs to R, but qx should not be equal to 0. Okay, so it will be continuous for all x belongs to R, for which sin x is not equal to 0. So we have to exclude those points at which sin is 0. So what all those points are? We know sin pi is 0, 2 pi is 0, 3 pi is 0. That means all integral multiple of pi is 0. So what we can write? It's continuous for all x belongs to R except at x equals to n pi. Understood? So what will be point of discontinuity for cosec function? X equal to n pi. This cosec function is continuous everywhere except these points, because at these points denominator becomes 0. Now to discuss the continuity of sec x. So we know f of x is 1 by cos x, and 1 is also constant function. It will be continuous. Cos x is also constant. So we can write this as p of x by q of x. P of x is 1, which is constant. So continuous for all x belongs to R. Q of x is cos x. So it is continuous for all x belongs to R. But f of x will be continuous because algebra of continuity, but it will be discontinuous for those points at which denominator is 0. Okay, so it's continuous for all x belongs to R except by algebra of continuity, isn't it? Both numerator and denominator continuous, so fraction will be continuous only. But except which point? Except where q of x is becoming 0. Q of x means cos x. So we know cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, isn't it? That means 2n plus 1 pi by 2 equals to 0. So except, what we can write? Except x equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So function sec x is continuous everywhere except this point, or in other words we can say discontinuity point of sec x is this one, or there is a point of discontinuity for sec x is x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2.